This is ginger.
No, cinnamon.
Oh,
We'll be
yes,
baking with apples we found in the property. They're growing just in the wild back there. But I think they're good apples.
They're really good.
Okay? So we have about, here we have about 12 apples.
All sliced up.
So we're gonna start with our, we're going to leave the recipe in the description box down below. The video. Okay? So, what are we making? Apple crisp. So can you So
Brown sugar? Which one?
So this one.
Sugar.
So
White
here,
sugar.
hang on. So we have
You said 12 apples.
12 apples in here. Thinly sliced, okay?
Like
so,
this.
And we'll have big apples.
And so how much is
We'll
this?
have big
one half cup
apples.
sugar, white sugar. Hang on,
Apples
Mas.
covered with sugar.
Yeah. 1/4 cup of
Flour.
flour.
All-purpose, right?
Yes.
All-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then you mix it together.
Yeah. Do the little.
I wish we had a smaller one of these.
Hang on. Bear with us. Okay.
So it's kind of like a little bit of brown and white. And so then you sprinkle it in. It doesn't really matter if you sprinkle it or not.
Yeah.
Because you're just gonna, it's just gonna be mixed.
Hang on, Miles. Hang on. So toss that. Hang on.
I couldn't do that. I'd spill it.
I want to dump it.
Just hang on, Miles. Hang on.
This is how they do rice in the Philippines. That's how they separate the like stuff from the rice. They just take a giant tray and then they just go like that, and then the rice pieces, the tiny pieces are like covering the rice or just float away. Just like
So before you,
try it.
is it still sour?
No, it's not sour.
So it looks like that.
I just don't like eating cinnamon and flour and sugar mixed with apples.
Now put it in our pan. Hang on, please. Not yet, Miles. Okay, so like that. Now we move on to the toppings. Here we have oats, 2 1/4 cup oats,
Type of oats?
1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup honey. This is so.
It's so much. I'll
Okay,
miss it.
can you hang on?
So much of this.
So much of honey.
Not handies. They're good.
All right. Okay.
Can I mix it now?
Yeah. And here we have
Look, I want to dump it.
1/2 cup brown sugar. Good job.
It's sugary.
And mix up.
1/2 cup butter. Maybe we'll
Like
have to help
melted.
Jasmine.
Hold it like that. Make sure it's like melted and kind of like.
It's like it's cool.
Oops.
Baking's supposed to be messy.
And then here we have 1/2 cup all-purpose flour again. Yeah. Good job.
Are we gonna use the small mixer?
Okay.
We're gonna use the small mixer.
We can, but
Because it may be a little
it's okay. Can,
The problem with wet ingredients and dry ingredients mixed together is that the wet ingredients always stick to as many things as they can until they're not sticky anymore. So then it's just a ball of flour and honey together, and then it's nothing, and then everything else is not mixed together.
like we need more.
More ingredients. No, it should be good. Do we just pour this on?
was a fun baking with the kids.
Daddy, best me.
With two of the kids.
We'll find the big.
Remember, the other one is on the tablet.
We'll find the big calculus.
Okay.
I find another calculus.
Here.
Mommy. Make the
Can you pour that in
calculus.
here?
You want to pour this one, Mouse?
This one was the poop
So
on
first you
the
have to-
thing. Hey, still pooping on my
You
foot.
want to dump it?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't-
It's full.
Jump it in here.
It's full. It's full, Mommy.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You're
It's
good.
stuck. It's stuck.
You're stuck. Yeah.
My finger's not hurting that much.
Ooh, that's good.
Good enough.
Good job.
So then just like spread it out.
Yeah, you can use your hand too. Like, could use a little bit more
A little bit more.
oats. We might do.
Maybe it'd make it look good if the like apples were like poking out.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Big juice. Big.
That's what it would look like. But if you don't want any of the apples showing and poking out of the oats, then you can add a little more oats. And like mix like split half the oats and then mix them in a tiny bowl.
So we're gonna
Like
bake this at
Made bigger.
350 degrees.
Preheat.
Preheated. I forgot to preheat the oven, so I'm going to do that right now for 350 degrees.
And
Okay. I think it's ready,
I
right?
think it's ready.
make sure when you're peeling your apples, you might want you use like a little like mini like grating thing like that. So you hold it on your hand like this, and then you just cut off all the bruises like that, brown spots and like little bites
Okay,
that have been made by slugs.
So I'm gonna put this
Or
in
snails.
the oven for 350 degrees
And
and probably 40 minutes until it's golden brown.
This is another recipe, and you only need to put it in the oven to 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, so we're gonna get all these mess cleaned up and we'll see you in 40 minutes.
Spread the mess. Spread the mess.
So we're gonna set the timer for
How much?
40 minutes. So press kitchen timer first. Don't you see it?
Kitchen timer.
And then 40
Well, 40.
and then 2 more zeros.
Start. Start. Start.
So our apple crisp
Oh, you can't even
is
see it.
ready. I put a tin foil on top because it was starting to get too brown.
It's bubbling. The juices are bubbling.
So I put a tin foil on top because it's starting to be too brown. So where's my other mix?
Over here.
It's okay, it's okay. So I think it's done now. After 40 minutes, this is what it looks like.
It smells like apple pie.
Look, bubbly.
It's too is it bubbling up?
Yeah, I
I think it's the honey, right? Is it the honey?
Well, also the butter. Yeah.
Oh.
Look, my
No
see?
touching.
See? Whoa, bubbles.
Yeah, I see it.
Bubbles. They're so
Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like. So now we're ready to cut it. We have our bowls already lined up here.
Just give me a little piece, okay?
the topping, if you want, you can double the recipe for that, because then you can have a thicker topping, right? Whoa, look at that.
It's like a whole bunch of melted apple. Can you cut me like half, like a quarter of that one? Here.
Okay, that one's yours, Mom.
Uh-oh, spilling.
Bam, you want some?
Apple cider.
Oh, so it's still super hot, but I'm gonna
Can you down in the hot?
give it a try.
Can you get the water in court?
Mm.
Okay. Mommy,
I can.
Water in court? Don't want to be hot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have
Okay.
to cool it down.
That's good.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Yay, bye, Grandma.
Is it good, Ram?